Hi, are you struggling with marital issues and wonder if you'll ever be able to make a breakthrough? Hi, this is Lloyd, and after 27 years helping couples across the world, I'm excited to share with you this free workshop coming up where I teach you the 10 fundamental components of a happy marriage. You see, friends, you must understand that knowledge is power, and the number one cause of marital breakup worldwide is incredible ignorance. You see, when you don't possess knowledge, you blunder along. But I want to show you, friends, that when you possess knowledge, you have maximum performance. And so in this workshop, it doesn't matter how chronic your marital issues have been. It doesn't matter how complex. I'll be showing you how to make a breakthrough by gleaning knowledge on how to do marriage well. 10 fundamental components of a successful marriage. These are what I'll be sharing with you in this free workshop. Talk about, for example, money. Many people have issues regarding money. I'll be teaching you family finance and how to navigate the critical issues regarding money in relationship. You see, a lot of people, it is not that they don't have enough, but they don't know how to manage and navigate and discuss and share ideas on how to manage your finances well. Also, I talk about expectations. You see, I have a PDF, a free PDF I'll be giving you of 14 questions you must discuss with your partner to take your conversation and your communication from the surface, superficial level to the feelings and belief levels where you can build emotional connectivity. All these I'll be giving you for free. Also, friends, let's talk about expectations in marriage. You don't know what your partner's expectations are, and this is one of the reasons you're having so much problem. I have nearly 100 questions to share with you free of charge to discuss with your partner. You take turns and discuss these questions together so you understand each other's mindset and you know what their expectations are. Then you're able to meet their expectations. I also want to show you how to change your mindset and change your marriage. You see, a lot of people have their partners and they say, well, my partner cannot change. No, my partner cannot be changed. Friends, let me share this with you today. You cannot change your partner, but you can influence them. And I'm going to be teaching you the 4 ways to influence your partner. So even if they don't want to change, by your influence, they can start thinking about making tremendous changes, for you're going to make yourself attractive and magnetic to your partner. So even if they don't want to come for help, you can come alone and you can single-handedly turn your marriage around by just knowing a few techniques. So friends, it's going to be exciting. This free workshop, join us as we share together. Also, you'll have a group of people that you can interact with, and they too can share with you ideas and tips and techniques and strategies that you might not have thought about to enhance your relationship. So click the link below, and I look forward to meeting you in the studio. Free workshop for all those who are married and those who are even thinking of getting married. This is your workshop. Join us today, and I'll see you in the studio. Love you, Lloyd Allen. Talk to you soon.